what it is. But it's good. We need to get beach toys, beer, and a cooler. Oh, look at a proper snorkel set. You're gonna need a frisbee. I think we can fit like 6 beer in there. Yo, get them while they're getting good. Noodle check. So yeah, like we could do like, you know, this kind of shit. You got your ATV and you got your horseback riding. You got this dude doing this dude things. But we got noodles. We got noodles. Let's do this. Tonight we're doing beach day. Beach day. Beach day. Stay focused.
So looking at the yellow one?
Yeah, absolutely.
You ever seen a grown man buy one of these?
On the quest to the beach, I got a beer, we got some noodles, we got a floaty.
Ready to go.
We need a cooler, we need more drinks, and we need a frisbee. Check.
You guys want to get Imperial, or Imperial?
All right, we're getting some ice.
Lee, you been working out lately, bro?
To the beach.